nakitaan iti Dos Hermanos Rock Formation. Idi ununa na kanu nga panpanawen, at dati may nga tribu nga nagnaed dito'y nga lugar, kiti pagsapulan da, mapanaganok iti banbantay, wenno mapanagala iti ikikan dito'y baybay. Kiti di bumaybayag, at dati dua nga lalaki nga agkabsat, nga ididimmakdakkeldan, nagbalinda nga nasukir, aging gana nga perperjen da dito'y aglawlawdan, aging gana nga dinusa isuda jay Diyosa iti baybay. Isu nga isuda tatta da ito'y makunko na dito yan, nga da ito'y dua dito'y nga bantay wenno bato. Iti agdama, isu iti maysa nga mangpapaadu iti bilang ti turista nga umay dito'y ilimi a Pagudpud.
The Dos Hermanos, a famous tourist attraction at Barangay Balawi, Pagudpud, is believed to have been two brothers who were turned into a rock by goddess of the sea. Today, it serves as a reminder never to destroy or take for granted the gifts of nature. In the early days, the villagers in Sitio Banaran of Barangay Balawi lived a happy life. They had a leader known as Apu Lakay, who was in charge of overseeing the safety and protection of his people. One day, Apu Lakay instructed his men to go to the mountains and hunt for meat to bring home for a festivity. However, two young brothers were unable to catch any and returned empty-handed because they had spent their time playing instead of accomplishing the task their leader ordered them. Apu Lakay became angry with the two boys and ordered them to leave the village. In vengeance, the two destroyed the totem, a valuable treasure of the sea. This angered the goddess of the sea, who then punished them by turning them into rocks. The goddess also warned the villagers about the dangers of damaging natural resources. The villagers were filled with fear and deep remorse for what happened, and they promised the goddess that they would never destroy the gifts of nature ever again. Due to the irreversible punishment of the children, the villagers were forced to live with the sight of the two rocks, which served as a constant reminder of their promise to the goddess. Over time, the people of Sitio Banaran were able to recover from their dreadful past and return to a bountiful life once again. Ti kinatulnog isu titulbek ti amin aruangan. The Kangayedan Festival of Pagudpud.
Agumong kayo, aman na kigubata, na maikan kayo ni basbas, itipapanyo panaganon.
dos hermanos.